Hey tubers, me again. It's been a while. So I just wanted to show you something real interesting, real fast. It's Bravo Papa 42 Ryobi backpack blower. And the symptom is that she's having a hard time starting it. So when I primed it, the pressure that built up in the tank, it was leaking through this fuel line over here, the return line. So I put a new one in there. But I'm getting ready to take and put everything back together because it's running great. And I'm going to zoom in over here on the cover and listen to the RPMs. When I just barely touch this, RPMs will pick up because I'm closing off an air leak. And if I take and I move it like this, and you can see just how small I'm moving it, you'll hear it'll suck air and it'll start to die. So let's see if we can get it going. Watch. That's just sitting there at the idle. Now watch. If I push it this way, it'll open up the air leak. So somewhere in, not on this side, between the cover and the carb, but between the carb, the isolator block, and the cylinder, it's sucking air or it's missing a gasket or something. Something's going on. That's what I suspect. So I don't think I really want to bore you with the whole thing, but it was just something that small, and I don't see that kind of stuff very often. So watch it again. Give it a little prime. Isn't that crazy? Okay, I just wanted to share that with you. So if you got one of these and you're trying everything else, maybe there's a symptomatic problem, you know, with like the bolts coming loose out of that isolator block, because that isolator block is screwed into there and should have a gasket as well. So just something to look for. Ryobi BP42. Just an oddball thing. Check it out. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. That's it. I'm done. I'm out. Okay, here it is. It's like 2 seconds later, you guys. I'm gonna turn my light on. I'm gonna look right up in there. You see that bolt? Can you see? It's right in the very center of your screen. I'm trying to get a better light on it. The bolt is totally backed out. So hold on, let me grab it. It's a T25. We can do this way, looking through the camera. T25. Here's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 turns. That's the problem. That is absolutely, the bottom one is tight as anything. The top one. So now I'll just put it back together and it's ready to go home. But yeah, that's crazy. Just something that simple. Okay. Whoops. Sorry. That gasket lines back up over there like that. Put the carburetor back on. She's going home. All right, just wanted to share that. It's an oddball one. It's crazy, but look for it, because if it happened to one, it can happen to another one. Maybe put a little Loctite on there. I don't know. All right, this time for real. I'm done. I'm out. Okay, I lied. So now it's all back together. Now it's like 2 minutes after the the last couple of minutes. So here we go. Let's try it again. There's a prime. There's a bolt. We're going to open up the high-speed jack. in the low speed jet right now to try to get it so when I add the high speed for the pickup, that's why it's bogging. Too much. Anyways, I'm just going to fart around with the carburetor because whoever was messing with it before was trying to compensate for the air leak that was coming out of there, which is no longer there. So just going to screw around with the carburetor and then send it back. Okay, this time I swear. That's it. I'm done. I'm out. Catch you on the next one.